In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a meeting in Google Meet. First, open the Google Chrome browser. On the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid icon. From the list of apps, select Meet. This will open the Google Meet website. Alternatively, you can directly go to meet.google.com in your browser. Once the home page loads, you will see the New Meeting button. Click on it, and you'll get three options. You can create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule one using Google Calendar. If you choose Create a Meeting for Later, Google Meet will generate a meeting link. You can copy this link and share it with others so they can join at the scheduled time. Next, if you want to start immediately, click on Start an Instant Meeting. This will open a new meeting room right away where you can invite participants instantly. The third option is scheduling a meeting through Google Calendar, which lets you set a date and time for your meeting in advance. Once your meeting is created, simply share the link or invite others to join. That's how you can create and manage meetings in Google Meet quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Meet and productivity tutorials.